Sublimation printers are the ultimate choice for printing high-quality images on various substrates in 2024, including paper, fabric, metal, and more. This technique utilizes heat to seamlessly transfer digital images onto various surfaces such as textiles, plastic, paper, and more. By undergoing sublimation, the dye transitions directly from solid to gas without becoming a liquid, allowing it to penetrate the substrate material deeply. This results in prints that are both durable and vibrant, resistant to cracking or fading over time. With sublimation printers, you can effortlessly create customized clothing, branded signs, flags, and even unique designs on pottery. For those seeking top-of-the-line capabilities, certain models can even print directly onto synthetic textiles, expanding the possibilities of creative expression. We have listed the top 5 best sublimation printers in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each sublimation printer in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the Sass Virtuoso SG500 sublimation printer. The Sass Virtuoso SG500 sublimation printer is the perfect choice for creative professionals who want top-tier sublimation printing in 2024. It's specifically designed for sublimation and even comes with 100 sheets of premium 11-inch by 17-inch sublimation paper for the best print quality. Plus, the package includes 5 So Fancy design access cards that give you a creative edge, offering up to 30 designs per card for commercial use. With the Virtuoso SG500, creative professionals can unlock their full potential and get outstanding results in sublimation printing. It comes with an extensive sublimation flat blank sample pack that's just incredible. You'll get 10 super versatile blanks, like the 11 ounces Pro Sub mug blanks, Pro Sub wine cup blanks, and Pro Sub 20 ounces skinny tumbler blanks. You also get 4 rolls of Swing branded heat-resistant transfer tape in different widths to make the transfer process a breeze. It's like a dream come true. Moreover, the Sass Virtuoso SG500 comes with the Creative Studio Online Designer software, which boosts your design capabilities. It also provides a 2-year manufacturer warranty and personalized onboarding support so that you can have peace of mind and expert guidance. The printer is compatible with Windows 10 or newer, as well as Mac OS 10.9 or newer. And even if you get low ink warnings with the starter inks, they can still produce over 200 full coverage prints, making them a great choice for sublimation enthusiasts. If you like this sublimation printer, click on the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 2 is the Epson EcoTank ET15000 Super Tank Printer. The Epson EcoTank ET15000 sublimation printer is a versatile and efficient color printer that excels in its performance in 2024. With its compact design, it is a reliable workhorse for various printing needs. By using low-cost replacement bottles instead of cartridges, users can save up to 90% on ink costs. This innovative solution translates to approximately 1 cent per color ISO page, which is a significant contrast to the 20 cents typically required by traditional cartridges. The Epson EcoTank ET15000 is not just your ordinary printer, it's a versatile powerhouse. You can print up to 13 inches by 19 inches using the rear feed and easily copy and skin up to 8.5 inches by 11 inches on the skin bed or 8.5 inches by 14 inches with the ADF. It's got you covered for all your printing needs. The convenience doesn't stop there. Each included or replacement ink bottle set gives you an impressive 2 years of printing, with up to 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 pages in color. Talk about convenience. The cartridge-free printing mechanism of the EcoTank ET15000 ensures optimal efficiency. With just 1 set of replacement ink bottles, equivalent to approximately 80 individual cartridges, this printer eliminates any cartridge waste. Impressively, it also features a 250-sheet paper capacity, auto 2-sided printing, a 2.7-inch color touchscreen, and the ability to print borderless up to 11 inches by 17 inches. Besides, it supports hands-free, voice-activated printing. If this printer suits your needs, click on the link in the description box to get it. Number 3 is Sass SG500 Sublimation Color Printer. The Sass SG500 is an exceptional sublimation printer that allows you to create stunning and vibrant designs on a wide range of products in 2024. With its starter bundle deal, you'll have everything you need to dive into the world of sublimation printing. This includes a complete set of Sublijet UHD sublimation inks, 110 sheets of Sublimax sublimation paper, and heat-resistant tape. The Sass SG500 is not only reliable and efficient, but it also delivers exceptional results due to its high-quality printing technology. It produces sharp and accurate prints with vivid colors, making it perfect for creating custom designs on mugs, t-shirts, hats, and other personalized items. Moreover, the SG500 printer is user-friendly and easy to operate, making it an ideal choice for small business owners with little experience in sublimation printing. Its compatibility with the Creative Studio online designer software allows for limitless design possibilities, making it a perfect choice for creative minds. The Sass SG500 stands out from other sublimation printers due to its exceptional features. With a 2-year manufacturer warranty, premium onboarding support, and lifetime technical assistance, your investment is safeguarded, and you'll receive the necessary help to thrive in your sublimation printing business. So, if you are interested in this printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. Number 4 is Brother SP1 Sublimation Printer. The Brother SP1 Sublimation Printer is an all-in-one sublimation printer in 2024 that can print vibrant color projects with remarkable ease. It is crafted with makers, artists, and designers in mind, and this printer breathes life into creativity. Unleash your imagination and bring vivid designs to various surfaces, such as t-shirts, tote bags, ceramic mugs, metal tumblers, and coasters, using ArtSpira*, Brother's cutting-edge editing and design app. The Brother SP1 seamlessly elevates any creative workspace with its compact dimensions of 17.1-inch WX 13.5 DX 6.2H and user-friendly 2.7 touch panel. With a weight of just 19.26 pounds, this product achieves the ideal equilibrium of portability and functionality. It offers a versatile solution that is custom-tailored to fulfill your specific requirements. The ArtSpira app integration elevates the user experience by providing access to a vast collection of over 100 sublimation designs, stylistic photo-authentic images, and more. Effortlessly import and save up to 20 printing images with the ArtSpira app *, unlocking a world of creative possibilities for users. With the ability to effortlessly transform images into stunning poster-style drawings, creativity knows no bounds, even on the go. If you want to purchase this printer, click on the link in the description box below to make a purchase. Number 5 is Lexark MC3224 Dye Color Printer. The Lexark MC3224 Dye Sublimation Printer is a compact, multifunction color device designed to fit in any space in 2024. With the ability to print, copy, and scan, it offers convenience and efficiency. The printer has a tray capacity of up to 250 pages, along with a single sheet feeder and a user-friendly color touchscreen for seamless operation. Setting up the printer is quick and hassle-free with standard Wi-Fi connectivity, while USB and Ethernet options provide additional connectivity choices. This sublimation printer offers mobile support through various platforms such as Lexark Mobile Print App, Moria, AirPrint, and Google Cloud Print. With a strong emphasis on security, the device is designed with Lexmark's comprehensive security architecture to ensure the safety of your information at all points, including on the device and over the network. The Lexark MC3224 Dye Sublimation Printer boasts impressive performance, with a blazing fast 1 GHz dual-core processor and 512 MB of memory, enabling it to print up to 24 pages per minute. It also offers the convenience of standard two-sided printing, and this printer not only excels in functionality but also prioritizes environmental sustainability. Lexark even provides toner cartridge recycling options, demonstrating its commitment to reducing waste and promoting a greener future. If you like this printer, click on the link mentioned in the description box below to get it. After reviewing each of the top 5 best sublimation printers in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your prints will always be printed perfectly and quickly with these sublimation printers. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.